I watched a video today with Ed Mylett interviewing Eric Wood, and I'll leave a link to the video in the description below. But I'll tell you basically what I got out of the video. It's something that I'm doing right now, and it's probably something not many people want to do. I know I didn't want to do it, but it's the first step in solving most of the problems you may have. I'm going to show you why you should want to do it and how you can do it. In the interview, Chris told Ed his life changed after he stopped thinking so much about himself and started thinking more about others. It will take time for me to do the video because I will be working on my own videos for you guys at the same time. I'm going to work on this other very important video and you will receive it free. There will be no charge. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you will be sure you don't miss this very important video I'll be working on. A large audience will benefit me financially, I'm sure. But please, please believe me when I say this video will benefit you much, if not more than it will benefit me. See you soon. Please, please like and subscribe. This is very important.